Hello, good people. How are you? Hope you're doing well. Welcome to another episode in the channel Mental Wellness with Grace. I know it has been a while, but I thank God I'm back. Uh, Continuing like I never left. This is the video that I left you hanging. I promised you to create a video explaining step to step how to start a YouTube channel. For those people who want to start their YouTube channel from scratch without spending on it, like paying other people to do for them, this is your video. If you want to learn, maybe you can use it for future, it's your video. Let's win together. If you want to start a YouTube channel and maybe you've been hanging and you don't know how to go about it, let me do it. Watch this video till the end and you learn on how to start a YouTube channel. To create a YouTube channel, go to your YouTube app. Be sure that you've already created a Google account. That, for example, that I have created one that is for this description alone, for this video. I've decided to name it Joseph Ouko, so you can edit and write the name that you want. So, after you've opened YouTube channel, you'll find that account that you've not logged in with. So you log in with that account. It is an account at first. You can now change it to channel. There's that option of make a channel, and it's now you start with the process now that you're seeing here. You edit, you type the name that you want. For example, I've typed Joseph Ouko as my account, the channel name. You can now there are also the handle name, or the yes, the handle name. You can edit it, but it must have characters that are a bit different, so that because all handles are different. There's no handle that looks like any other in YouTube. After that, you can now upload your profile picture that will be appearing on YouTube channel. Okay, go to your gallery, choose that photo or that image that you want to use as your channel profile picture. Select it and then upload it. I've decided to use a floral picture that I have in my phone, so that because it's just for description, and that's it. After saving it, that is now the picture that people will be seeing every time when they are looking at your channel. And then you click on create channel. As you've seen, I'm doing it, I'm describing it to you. Then your channel will be ready, and now you can do more customization if you want to, by visiting. Yeah, see now your channel. That is your channel interface. That is what you'll be seeing. You can now go to channel settings, so that you can customize your channel. You can start with description. Describe precisely what your channel will be about. So describe to the people, so that if somebody is searching, maybe for example entertainment and travel channels, like I've described mine, they can your channel can pop up. Okay, and then for more customization, you can do as other settings as they have been indicated there, like that one of privacy. You can keep all your subscription private. You can change the save. You can make them public if you want to. Now you worked on your banner also. Yeah, your banner also describes what you do. So I'm trying to adjust that banner. The banner is the wind screen that you see behind the profile picture. It can be a description of what your channel is about. It can be a picture, it can be a writing, graphics. And now your channel, you start creating. After you've done that, you can create a short, you can upload a video, you can go live. That is when you've met the threshold that is needed for someone to go live. Okay, other customization, you can try to do customization by visiting the YouTube studio using Chrome, so that you can get the YouTube studio version of the desktop. That is where you can get at least more option of adjusting, not the YouTube studio app. People who use YouTube studio on desktop, they have variety of options, and that's the reason you type www.youtubestudio.com,
and you go to the version of the YouTube Studio in desktop. You see, it opens. When it reach there, don't open through the app, continue to Studio. Okay, if you continue to Studio, you'll find the customization button that you can do more customization on your YouTube channel by adding more settings and adjusting number of things that you feel you need to adjust. Okay, that is now the interface that you're seeing is now the YouTube face. It is the YouTube Studio face of a desktop. On your right, no, on your left hand side, there are icons that are there. On your toolbar, you'll find the icons that are there, and you'll see them and you'll read about them. But I want to work using the one that is customization button. So when you click customization button, it will open your channel with the previous settings that you've done in your YouTube channel, like the ones that you are seeing. You can see your banner, you can see your profile picture. If there's anything you want to adjust from this place, you can now adjust. You can adjust, maybe you can add other details. You can, like, for example, add watermark, like the watermark that there's like a picture you see most of the times on people's video here down below, that runs through the video, and maybe you don't know how people do it. You click on that watermark, video watermark, you upload, you click a picture that you want to put, or yeah, a photo that you want to put there, you add it. Like in this version of the customization, you'll find more settings than the ones that you'll find on the app itself. YouTube Studio is where you also track your growth, the growth of your channel, where you see your analytics. YouTube tend to put your analytics so that you can follow and know where you are going wrong, where you can adjust, what you can do better. Yeah, so you've already done that. We are doing that now. We have added our watermark. As you can see, we have now a watermark here below. So for those who cannot locate it, at the below the page at the end there below, you can see that watermark. And you can save it. You save by clicking on publishing there. Now you after you've done all your settings, you can start creating. There's that now out creating. You can take, maybe you
Thank you so much, guys, for watching till the end. Like, subscribe, share widely. Let's share this information. It's information that has been gatekept by many, but please share widely. That like means a lot to this channel. Let's grow together. Bye for now.